Okay, this is my 1992 Ford F-150 Custom straight 6 300 4.9 liter automatic transmission. I bought it to drive around while I rebuilt that Jeep. That dropped a seat in it, and I rebuilt that top end of that motor. Anyway, so because I had this thing, it was running good, but I figured I didn't know what the repair schedule was on it before. I assumed there was probably none. I decided to put some plugs in it, so I put some Motorcraft plugs in yesterday, and now it runs like shit. The firing order's right. I put new plugs in it, or new plug wires in case I broke a plug wire, cap rotor, all that stuff. The cap rotor wires made no difference, still runs exactly the same. I'm assuming that I have a bad plug, like straight from the factory. And what I had got was the Motorcraft. Of course there's no part number. There it is. SP435. Then there's the alternative part number below that. Anyway, $250 a piece or something like that. I got a set of auto lights, which are actually cheaper, but I'm gonna just keep replacing plugs in here until the problem goes away. I think that's what the problem is anyway, because again, I just changed the plugs and then started running like shit. So I'm going to go back and put different plugs in it and see if I have the same problem. I will bring you back when I know more. Alright, well, I started with the back number 6 because it's sort of a pain in the ass. I like to start with the hardest things and work my way to the easiest. So anyway, I may have lucked out here. If you can see this, fucking no gap, zero gap. It's supposed to be 0.044. So maybe they dropped this thing. I'm gonna recap it, put it back in, and see where we go. Also, while I got you, I put anti-seize on these threads because the old ones on there scared the shit out of me. They were really stuck in there, and I had to work them back and forth and back and forth. So anyway, I don't give a shit what anybody says. I'm putting anti-seize on these things. And be really careful because it feels like they want a cross thread going in. So anyway, it's an old engine. They're easy to work on, but you know, you can still fuck up. So anyway, take your time, go slow, use anti-seize, make it easier on the next guy, because like the next guy's probably going to be you, as Wes Johnson says. So anyway, thanks.